x squared plus y squared plus z squared equals x squared y squared. Find all sets of integer solutions of this equation. There are 3 variables and 1 equation. There may be more than one set of solutions. Clearly, by inspection, x equals y equals z equals 0 is one set of solutions. Find other sets of integer solutions if they exist. Otherwise, we have to prove that there are no other sets of solutions. To find the solutions, it may be helpful to narrow down the range of possible integers, for example, by checking the parity of the variables. Is it possible that x, y, z are all odd numbers? For any odd number, x equals 2n plus 1. X squared equals 2n plus 1 all squared equals 4n squared plus 4n plus 1, which is congruent to 1 mod 4. For any even number, x equals 2m. X squared equals 2m all squared equals 4m squared, which is congruent to 0 mod 4. First, we check the parity of the variables to narrow down the range of possible integers. Case 1. If both x and y are odd numbers and are the solutions, let x equal 2n plus 1, y equal 2m plus 1. Then we have 2m plus 1 all squared plus 2m plus 1 all squared plus z squared equals 2m plus 1 all squared times 2m plus 1 all squared, which simplifies to 4 times n squared plus n plus m squared plus m plus 2 plus z squared equals 4n squared plus 4m plus 1 times 4m squared plus 4m plus 1. The right-hand side is congruent to 1 mod 4. The left-hand side is congruent to 2 or 3 mod 4, depending on the parity of z. We have a contradiction, so x and y can't both be odd numbers. Case 2. If either x or y is odd and are the solutions, without loss of generality, assume x is odd, y is even. Let x equal 2m plus 1, y equal 2m. We have 2m plus 1 all squared plus 2m all squared plus z squared equals 2m plus 1 all squared times 2m all squared, which simplifies to 4 times n squared plus m squared plus 1 plus z squared equals 4n squared plus 4m plus 1 times 4m squared. The right-hand side is congruent to 0 mod 4. The left-hand side is congruent to 1 or 2 mod 4, depending on the parity of Z. We have a contradiction, so neither X nor Y can be odd numbers. This means both X and Y must be even numbers. What about Z? Can it be odd or even? If Z is odd and X, Y, Z are the solutions, let Z equal 2k plus 1. We have 2n all squared plus 2m all squared plus 2k plus 1 all squared equals 2n all squared times 2m all squared. Simplifying, we have 4n squared plus 4m squared plus 4 times k squared plus k plus 1 equals 4n squared times 4m squared. 4 divides the right-hand side, but 4 doesn't divide the left-hand side. We have a contradiction, so Z can't be an odd number. We have concluded that X, Y, and Z are all even numbers. Next, we try to find the solutions of the equation. Assume X doesn't equal 0, Y doesn't equal 0, Z doesn't equal 0. Let X equal 2n, Y equals 2m, Z equal 2k. We have 4n squared plus 4m squared plus 4k squared equals 4n squared times 4m squared, which simplifies to n squared plus m squared plus k squared equals 4n squared m squared. Because 4 divides the right-hand side, and from step 1, we know that n, m, and k must be even numbers. Because n equals x over 2, m equals y over 2, k equals z over 2. So this shows that x over 2, y over 2, z over 2 are still even numbers. Repeat the above process again and again. We have x over 2 squared, y over 2 squared, z over 2 squared, x over 2 cubed, y over 2 cubed, z over 2 cubed, and so on, are still even numbers. By Fermat's method of infinite descent, we have x equals 0, y equals 0, z equals 0. This contradicts the assumption x doesn't equal 0, y doesn't equal 0, z doesn't equal 0. So the equation has only one set of solutions, x equals y equals z equals 0. Think about the thought process for the previous question further and try to apply the approach to other problems, such as this one. 4y cubed equals 3x squared plus 1. Find all sets of integer solutions of this equation. You can write your answers in the comments section if you like. Can you think of other problems that can be solved using a similar approach? Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. See you next time.